All of us students, good afternoon. Today, our lesson for the first year, semester one. The lesson is an astrologer's day. An astrologer's day is written by R.K. Narayana. R.K. Narayana is a famous writer in India. He belongs to a Tamil Nadu state. He belongs to a Tamil Nadu state, and one of the most popular writing of the okay, R.K. Narayana is written by an astrologer's day. Who is a astrologer? First of all, we want to know the who is a astrologer. Astrologer is a the future teller. The astrologer is a future a person who studies the movements of a planets and stars to predict their influence on a human life. Astrologer is a person who studies the movements of planets and stars to predict their influence on human life. He is the astrologer. He is the astrologer. The, knowingly, the astrologer tells us the future life. Astrologer tells us the future life. What will be going on? Okay, that is the lesson. Today we are discussing about the astrologer's day. Is written by R.K. Narayana. First, we want to know about the writer. About the writer. Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayana Swamy is one of the most celebrated English novelists of India. Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayana Swamy is the full name of R.K. Narayana. He is one of the most celebrated English novelists of India. He is famous for his creation Malgudi. He is a popularly famous for his story Malgudi. Malgudi, an imaginary village through which he presented Indian life and culture. He explains in the story Malgudi what is the life belongs to a Indian and which is the culture belongs to a India. He has explaining totally in that story Malgudi. Okay, he is R.K. Narayana is the famous for his creation Malgudi, an imaginary village through which he presented Indian life and culture. With great simplicity and humor. He is the recipient of Sahitya Akademi Award and Padma Vibhushan. He is the recipient of a Sahitya Akademi Award and Padma Vibhushan. The story An Astrologer's Day is about a human weakness. The story An Astrologer's Day is about an human weakness where in an astrologer is challenged by a stranger to prove his mystic powers. Okay, the story An Astrologer's Day is about a human weakness wherein an astrologer is challenged by a stranger to prove his mystic powers. Okay, an astrologer is used the a mystic powers with a strangers. And the story, an astrologer's day begins with a description of a astrologer. The astrologer, the astrologer works under a tamarind tree. The astrologer works under a tamarind tree on a busy road in a park along with several street vendors. On a busy road in a park along with several street vendors. Though he has no special powers, He looks like a holy man. He looks like a holy man with his saffron turban. With his saffron turban. Many years of practice and experience have made him a taken observer and a judge of character. Good judge of character. One day, as he is about to return to his home, he encounters an unusual customer. He encounters an unusual customer. The customer challenges him to answer certain questions. He dates the astrologer to pay extreme amount in cases the answers are not correct. The astrologer reluctantly agrees. He recognizes the customer in the dim light, addressing the customer by name Guru Nayak. He recounts the customer's past. He tells that the customer had once been stabbed in a quarrel and left for death. The story on Astrologer's Day begins with a description of the astrologer. First, in the story, he has described the astrologer appearance, how he has dressed and how he has seeing the unknowingly persons. The astrologer works under a tamarind tree on a busy road. The astrologer works under the tamarind tree on a busy road in a park along with several street vendors. Though he has no special powers, he looks like a holy man with his saffron turban. Many years of the practice, many years of the practice and experience have made him a keen observer and a good judge of character. He has a many experience. He has seen so many members in the daily, and then he has expected the characters of a persons who are came to near him, and he has judges the character of a customers, and then he has judged the character of the customers. One day, as he is about to return to his home, he encounters an unusual customer. One of the day in the evening time, when he is ready to go to the home after the evening, unknowingly one of the encounters of an unusual customer came to him. The customer challenges him to answer certain questions. He dares the astrologer to pay extra amount. In case the answers are not correct, the astrologer reluctantly agrees. He recognizes the customer in the dim light. Who is a customer? The astrologer identified the customer in the dim light at the evening time, addressing the customer by name. With the astrologer, Guru Nayak. You are the Guru Nayak. He recounts the customer's past. He tells that the customer had once been stabbed in a quarrel and left for death. The astrologer addressing the customer by his name Guru Nayak. He recounts he recounts the customer's past. The astrologers, the astrologer recounts the customer's past, and then he explains the what one of the past event. He tells that the customer had been once stabbed in a quarrel and left for death. In the past event, the customer and one of the another person is quarrel between both of them, and he is stabbed with the he is stabbed in a quarrel and left for death. In the once upon a time in the past, that situation is recognized by the astrologer. The astrologer is as explaining about the customer who has came to him at the time of evening. He has challenges. The customer has challenges to the astrologer. If you are told to the correct or suitable answers to my questions, then I will pay the double amount of your fees. Suppose you are not correct in the correct answers, you pay the double amount to the me. You pay the double amount to me. He asked, he has challenges to the customer. Unknowingly, the astrologer agrees. Unknowingly, the astrologer agrees the condition. He recognized the customer in the dim light. He recognized the customer in the dim light, addressing the customer by name, Guru Nayak. The astrologer identified the customer and he has recognized the who is this customer. He has recognized and he knows his name. That personality name is a Guru Nayak. He called with the name of a Guru Nayak. He recounts the customer's past. He recounts the customer's past. He tells that the customer had once been stabbed in a quarrel and left for death. Customer had been once stabbed in a quarrel and left for death. In the past event, in the situation, the customer had stabbed with one of the new person in the past event and quarreled both of them and stabbed with the customer to the end of the death and left for the death. He has explained the past event. Then Guru Nanak agrees and tells him that he had been saved by a bystander. Guru Nanak agrees and tells him that he had been saved by a bystander. The astrologer advises him to forget revenge. He should go home, as the man who stabbed him is long dead in an accident. Guru Nanak agrees and tells him that he had been saved by a bystander. When he has went to the death, near to the death, that time the customer has explained, when I was going to a death to him, the bystander, one of the person, saved me or saved my life. Then now I am leaving. And the astrologer advised him to forget revenge. The astrologer, you don't search the person, you don't ask for that person, and you forget your range, you forget your revenge. He should go home, as the man who stabbed him in a long dead in an accident. And the astrologer explained to the customer when he should go home, as the man who stabbed him is long dead in an accident. After the quarreling with you, that quarreled person, he went to home in that way, in that he met with an accident, he died with an accident. He explained, you don't go to take the revenge. Explain the astrologer. He is relieved of his long standing burden of a avenging his enemy. He is relieved of his long standing burden of avenging his enemy. He is relieved. The customer has relieved the struggles from mind and a long standing burden of avenging his enemy. R.K. Narayan reveals the twist. R.K. Narayan reveals the twist in the story that the astrologer is a man who stabbed Guru Nanak in a drunken brawl. The astrologer goes home and tells him. The astrologer goes home and tells his wife that he has been relieved of his great load. He admits that he is relieved to know that he has not killed a man. The astrologer goes home at the evening time and tells his wife. When they reach the home, he tells his wife that he has been relieved of a great load. He admits that he is relieved to know that he has not killed a man. He explained in the past event with his wife and that the killed man did not killed by himself, but the man is alive. I have relieved my burden from my mind. He has explained. The astrologer explained to his wife, and then what has the story that he has explained in the evening. Okay, this is the story about the an astrologer's day in the first semester for the first year. The astrologer story is a very reluctantly near to the what is the condition of the situation in the society, or how he become a astrologer, how he become a unknowingly the acting of as a astrologer. He has explained in the story in this text. Students, all of you listen the story an astrologer's day. First of all, you have to prepare yourself for the examination. You have to practice yourself the story an astrologer's day, and then you have to practice the writing in your rough notebook. How much story you have to done the writing, and how many mistakes are you are written in the answers. You have to write and you have to check yourself in the rough notebook or in the practice notebook. That is the very important. When you know the total story, you will write very easily. But unfortunately, you didn't listen or you didn't any idea about the story. You have to prefer the first paragraph about the writer. You write the first paragraph about the writer. That is a very good impression of the examiner to allot the mark. When you write the introduction to the writer or introduction and the writing about the writer, That is very important in examination pattern. Then you have to write or you have to explain the second paragraph about the astrologer's appearance, how he has and how he did in the his duty, how he did in the duty, and how he has standing day full day, and and how he has appearance, how become the members have expected he is a holy man. The persons are a ordinary individuals has examined that he is might be a good personality. He is a very holy man. They are thinking and they are asked the importance of a astrologer. Okay, you are practiced. You have to read once or three times every story, every paragraph. You have to read three or four times maximum, and you have to practice it with the C rating, and you have to practice it without C rating also very important. Once when you have to reading with your writing, that is a very important in English. And for we don't have a good writing in Indians, they did not practice the good handwriting. That's why you have to practice the writing the story when you are a practice sir, and you are a writing in your rough notebook. Okay, this story is very important for your examination. When you are prepared para by para, without mistakes you have to practice. Without mistakes you have to write your answer in the examination. That is very important. In these four lines in the answer script are very important. Every paragraph related to the upper paragraph. Every paragraph related to the near paragraph. That's why we want to dismiss or we want to not doing marginally. You are not doing the correct answers in the examinations. That's why you will fulfill the all answers and all questions you have to attempt. First, every question you have to write down the which are the question answers from the textbook. You have to write down the first the about the writer, the introduction to the about the writer, and then in the second paragraph, introduction to the lesson, and what is the theme of the lesson. You have to write in the middle of the paragraphs. In the last you have to go to the a conclusion paragraph is very important. In the conclusion, what is the last event in the story, you have to mention it, and why they are going to take out the part of the story, you have to mention it, and then you have to conclude the story in the last paragraph lines, and then you will get the good marks in the examination. The story is compulsory in the examination. That's why you have to prepare everything in the story, which is the paragraphs and which is the conclusion, which is the introduction. These are the very important when you are writing the answers in your answer booklet. And before the examinations, you have to prepare. You have to prepare the writing practice, which you have a rough notebook. You have to practice it in a rough notebook, and then you will get the idea about the writing of examinations. Without practice, you didn't get the good marks. After the practice of the story, minimum 3 or 4 times you have to write yourself and you have to correct yourself. Then you will go to the examination. That is the very important. When you leave the or when you are not the practices, you didn't get the full answer or you didn't write the lengthy answers. You forgot the total answer. You do the many mistakes without practice. Then you have to practice it for the examination, and then you will write the a good writing of a exam. When you are writing the good exam, you will get the good marks. In this way, you have to practice every day, and you have to practice paragraph by paragraph, and then you have to check up yourself how many mistakes are done by yourself and how many want to be practice. That is a very essential to the examination. Every practice section, every practice session is important for the examination. After the all practices, then you will go to the exam. It's a very important. All of you carefully practices the all paragraphs in the story. This is a very simple and it's a very easy to learn when you are practicing the day every day. You want to elaborate the lecture, you want to elaborate the literature in English, you do the who are the English writers and you have to read the who are the English writers and what they are writing. Who are the other writings of the English writers in English? Who are the other writers, other English writers of English in India? Like Rabindranath Tagore and Sarojini Naidu and A.K. Ramanujan and so many others are there. So many others are there. But we know very few members. But we know the very few members. Okay, everyday practice session is the very important in the lessons. Then you will practice the answers every day. This astrologer's lesson will come for your examination. It's a compulsory attempt the answers. When you are attempting the all answers, you don't leave any questions. You have to write the all questions and then you get the good marks. After the all lessons, you can, along with the practice, along with the practice. That is the very important in the examination. In the examination. You write the answer, fully answer in your notebook and practice it in your home, and then you will write the good answers for the good marks. Otherwise, you didn't get the good marks in your examination. That is the very very important. Practice makes a perfect man. When you are practice the good atmosphere, when you are practice the good atmosphere, you will get the good marks. And then when you are not practice the writing and reading, you will not good the you will not get the good marks in your examination. That is the very very important. That is the very very important. Every action gives a some experience. Every practices give a good ideas and good experiments in your life and in your studying. In your studying also important. That is the one of the a great idea about the lessons. Great idea about the lessons. A good practice get the a good knowledge. A good practice get the good knowledge, and a good knowledge can the a good ideas. A good knowledge can the good ideas. It is a very very important in the practice section. Practice session. That is the our fundamental duty in as a student. Okay, when you are going to the answers in your for your examinations, what will come or what will have an idea about that writing? First of all, in the first paragraph, it's a must be a writer. In the first of all, first you put the question number, and then you write the your answers in the answer script. Okay, that is the every session is important in every section in the examination. That pattern will that patterns will give a good ideas about the a good student. Okay, when you have an idea about the lesson, you have to mention it all the steps in the paragraph. First paragraph is about the writer, and second paragraph about the body of the story, and or the themes or the story in the or which are the characters he has explained in the second paragraph. What is the characters in the story? You have to explain it in the paragraph 2. And paragraph 3 is the what are the question and answers about the customer and about the customer and the astrologer. What are the questionings? What are the questionings between the two? You have to write down, you have to mention in the third paragraph. The fourth paragraph, that is a conclusion, and how to explaining about the past event to his wife when he has went to the home. The customer, the astrologer has explaining about the past event when he has met with an accidentally in unknowingly quarrel with the person who is a customer to in front of him 2 days. Then you will practice the good ideas when you are practicing the story. Then you will write the a good answer in your answer booklet. That is a very important. And then the practice makes a perfect man. You have to think in your mind. Without practice, you didn't get the knowledge or you didn't get the good handwriting. Otherwise, you will be very hard work to do after the completion of the graduation. This is the very important to the your examination pattern. Examination pattern. After the completion of the answers, after the completion of the answers, you will check up the total answers from the first to bottom to top to bottom. You have to check up the answers from top to bottom. What you are written in the examination. Then you have to conclude how many marks get in the examination. That is one of the idea to your student. That is one of the idea to your examinations. All of you preferably practice is more important than the listening. Practice is more important than the listening. Suppose you are not listening in the class, the story, but when you are practiced or when you are reading the lesson, then you have a get the an idea about the story. Okay, then all of you student, you have to prepare the an astrologer story for the examination purpose and the knowledge purpose. Then you practice the story in your home 4 or 5 times, and then you will get the idea about the answer. That question. Okay, then you will leave the class. We will meet to the next with another class, and you have to do practice well and write the well in your exams, and then you can get the good marks in the examination. Without examinations, you didn't get any idea about the stories, and you didn't get even idea about the practices in the yourself. Okay, we will leave the class today. We will meet the next class. What about the class in the next chapter or a next lesson? And which are the grammar topics in our examination pattern? We will also explaining the one by one in the model question paper. What about the models of the questions in the examination? We want to know, and how to get the good marks when you are a practice the lesson. After that, the lessons are what are the topics in the question paper, and which are the grammar topics, and how many marks get the good how many marks the grammar topics, and how many marks the text. We will know and we will learn in the next class. All of you.